There are
So
so many back-to-back dialogues also.
yeah.
So,
It's quite
do
a
you
lot.
remember any dialogues which are in Telugu?
I remember
Can,
all my dialogues.
can you say one?
I mean, there was a really large monologue that I had to say, which I almost chewed up. Like I used to eat it for lunch, breakfast every time. It was chala సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఆంటీకి ఇలా జరిగినందుకు ఐఎమ్ సారీ బట్ ఆ రేస్లో వెళ్ళినందుకు అస్సలు బాధ లేదు సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ ద హోల్ థింగ్ అండ్ it was a long thing, and again I didn't want to be conscious of, like, she's, like I said, she's really like angry and a lot more angrier in the scene. So if it was in a language that I spoke in, whether it was English, Malayalam or Hindi or whatever, I know that I would have been huffing and puffing and walking about. And when you're not equipped with the language, it does affect how you perform. And I wanted to make sure, okay, I don't understand it, I don't have the time to learn the language, but I wanted to be equipped with the lines well enough that it doesn't bother me on set. And it didn't. Like I was mostly I had eaten it enough that when I was on set, I was able to stay present to both of them and like listen to their lines and well enough to know what they are telling me.
Okay.
So
Listening to you, it felt natural only. So you dubbed for yourself in the film? Okay.
I think it also helped, of course, that the character that I play, Ami, is a Telugu speaker but based out of Delhi. So she's also, she makes silly Telugu mistakes, and she is one of those people. So I think that's also why I got comfortable with being able to say yes to this, because I would have put so much pressure on myself to get it all right otherwise. But here I knew that sometimes the mistakes were also good for the character.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it took so much time to release also. While it is in one of the meeting, even Anupama Garu said that it's too difficult for audience to come for a women-centric movie. So what is your view on it?
Yeah, of course. I mean, these are struggles that we're all facing, and it's a battle that we're all together we've decided to fight. But I think the fact that a group of people have come together to make a film, that is such a big risk, right? Like it's three women in the lead. There is no hero, and they're making it not in a really, in a small way. It's actually a big film. It's they've really put in everything to back this film, and the fact that they've decided to do it is one of the biggest reasons that I wanted to be part of it as well. I think it has to start, right? And we're slowly seeing it start in small ways. And I think I'm also feeling a lot more invested in the outcome, that if this film does well, that more films like this will
Dare to come.
dare to come. Have the producer will feel confident enough to say other types of stories. There are so many stories, and like
Definitely.
and it's not even just with, say, Telugu. Like with Malayalam, I feel like I haven't gotten to work with women a lot. It's almost a facet of life that we haven't explored enough, because you won't cast whatever 3 women, 2 women together. You're not seeing, there'll be one lead woman and there'll be one mother, one sister, one friend, but you'll get it, like 2 scenes or 3 scenes with them, and that's it. This is a film that's just these 3 women, and you're with them through the whole thing. Like every breath of the film is Subbu, and everything that's happening around, including the other characters, every other moment is supporting her story. And that is so beautiful, that they've dared to make a film like this, and that they have done it in such a large way. So I was certain that I wanted to be part of that world.